In today's video, I am going to review Linksy. This is the AI-powered internal linking tool or the plugin for the WordPress. With the help of, you can manage all of your internal links, external links. You can also find out all the major domains linking to your website. What are your keyword rating or the anchor tags for the internal linking? So I am talking internal linking a lot. So if you don't know what is the internal linking, let me give you the example and the demo here. So internal linking is the process and the really good SEO strategy to managing your website authority juice and passing to all of your important pages. For example, any user find this post from the Google top page and they are reading it. So what I will do, I will also interconnect this WordPress post to my Appsumo anywhere with the anchor text. I will add it on this post so user wanted to read, or they can also redirect to this post. So this will not only just increase the interaction with both of the post, but it will also pass the link juice or the authorities of this post and improve my overall ranking for this post as well. Same thing we can do with all our important aspects of the website pages and the post kind of the thing here. So this is what the internal linking, and this is really a effortful work here because manually interlinking all of your important pages. Sometimes a website have so many number of the pages and the post available that you cannot able to interact with each other them so well. So what if there's the AI tool like the Linksy, which is going to manage all of the things? Like it has this auto linking feature available that is going to auto link all of your important pages with the anchor text, so boost your ranking. Plus you can also pass the link juice. It has also the link automation system available. You can also create the interlinking based on the silo network. It has the search and replace modes for few links you want to change, like any website rebranded their name, so you want to now replace the previous name with the new one. So there's also a good feature available, search and replace. It has the Linksy pilot available. It has the paragraph rewriter available. It has the add inbound or outbound link option available. So many great features I really excited to talk about. So hey guys, this is Basant here, and in this video let's talk about the Linksy. This is the AI powered internal link plugin for the WordPress with the NLP capabilities here. So right now it is available on the Appsumo starting from the just $69. It has already 50 plus reviews available, and if you scroll down below you can check it out. Imagine a plugin that understands searcher intent, provide relevant suggestion and saves you time. This was the distant dream of link building plugins until Linksy entered the chat here. Okay, plus Linksy leverage a custom keyword extraction algorithm with the natural language processing, that is the NLP, for internal links you can trust here. Okay, it is also going to combine promptness, precision and the context to help you get more out of your link building. Use the power of AI and the NLP to take your efforts to the whole new level. This is the power of AI you are going to use on your website for the all of your internal linking or the link management. Let me scroll down below. Here are some of the glimpses you are going to see it. Don't worry, I am also going to give a detailed overview and the feature demo, so you don't need to just check it out this screenshots here. Okay, so you can also read it out, and this plugin almost worked with every major page builder. Like it has the support with for the Elementor, for the Thrive, for the Accident, for the Beaver Builder, Spectra, Avada, WP Bakery. All the major page builders support this plugin here. Let me scroll down below. So here are the things you can check it out. Lifetime access, you will get all the feature updates. You are going to get all these features. In the plan 1, you are going to get the license for the one website only and the 50 generative credits per month and the unlimited posts, unlimited links you can audit and the automate with the tier 1 plans. But the only problem and the limit is for the one site. So if you have the multiple sites, I suggest go with their plan 2 or the plan 3 based on the limits of the site. You can check it out here. Now let me give you a demo and the overview for this platform. So once you got its lifetime deal, you will get the link or the your signing dashboard where you have to download the Linksy plugin. So it has the two variants for the Linksy plugin. It has the Linksy pilot and the Linksy freeform. Okay, so you have to install both of them to actually getting getting started working in your website. You can see this is the Linksy and this is the Linksy Python. You have to install both of them. So once you install, you are going to unlock this Linksy feature on your WordPress site. First, let's go to the dashboard, and here you have to click on this sync button. You can see this is the sync button here. You have to click it for the first time, so it can just get out all the stats around your post or your link stats or the anchor tags and the keyword rating. So once you got this one, what I suggest, go on this one, auto linking feature here, and enable it so it can start building and connecting your internal links with each other. For example, right now I have the around 67 keywords, and these are the target links, and it has start building out the internal links. You can see status, this is the running. So if you want to stop this auto linking, you have to go on this link automation. So from here you can stop or enable or disable this auto run for the auto link building. Okay, then suppose you have a link that you want to add most of your relevant post, but you don't want to go one by one. So here you have to click on this add inbound link. Here you have to select or search that post out. Suppose I want to create the internal links for this post, funnel kit versus the cart flow. So I click here, it is going to give me all the options for that. Now you can see it has going to show you all the focus keywords, but somehow there is the no focus keyword. All you need to just click here on the AI keyword, and here it is going to create the some keyword options for you. So based on title, topic, how to keyword, short tail, long tail keyword, it is going to generate the keywords for you. For me, let's go with the mid tail keywords here and click on the generate, and now it will generate the few keywords ideas for me. Right now these are all the keyword ideas, so I will select here, click on the add selected, and now these all the keywords will be added here. Okay, so I am giving you demo here. Okay, I hope you are getting all this information I am showing you right now here. So all these are now appeared on the focus keyword. You can see these are the focus keyword. So I will select this one, this one, this one, and click on the auto link. So now based on this auto link preferences, it is asking me like I want to connect or interconnect these links only with the post or page. So I will select all. I can also select based on the category, publish date, and tags. And here are the few more things you can check out. No duplicate anchor per post. I don't want any duplicate anchors in the every post, so I will enable it. Plus I can also enable it, add link if a post already has the link. Okay, so if that post already has the link for this post, I can just enable it. But if I don't want, so I don't want to enable it, so I will make it remain it. And let's click on the auto link. Now okay, it appears the keywords and the target link you are submitted. Let me read it out. Submitted, already exit. Okay, for this interlinking, I think I have already created the my automation here. That's why it is showing me that error. But don't worry, if you don't have any, you can just do this way. The same thing you can do for the outbound links. So if you don't know what is the outbound links, you are connecting with the external domains here. So this is the thing, you can also do it here in the outbound links here. Then this is the auto linking that I have already talked about. This is going to show you all the linking automations here. You can check it out here. Links added, this one. So, okay, so pretty much really good here. Then this is the anchor cloud. Here you can check it out, all of your anchor text and how many links you have generated for that one. For me, this is all my anchor text, and this is the target and source. If I scroll down below here, it will show me all the source. Let me scroll this one, is this one. Okay, so that's how this anchor cloud will work. This is the keywords rating. So based on your keywords as the anchor text used, there are some excellent keywords, there are some poor quality. So it is going to show all of them here on the keywords rating. Then this is the search and replace. Suppose I have connected for the one brand as the interlinking here, or I have any broken link. So with the search and replace, what I can do, I have to only search that keyword which is now the broken or their brand name is changed, but I want to replace it with this some other link or this some other name here. So all I need to just add or search that keyword here, and that is the replace link here, and just that way I am going to replace the links with this single click. I don't have to just manually go on the different post or pages that. Okay, then this is the playground where you can just play a little bit about this platform, how things work. Then this is the settings you are going to configure for the linking building or the automations, like the linking rules we have the ignore rules, we have the others. So we can configure it according to our preference. Then we have the next feature, that is the silo network, and Okay, we have the next feature, that is the Linksy Pilot. So Linksy Pilot, you see there is the 50 generative credits per month you are going to get here. So in the Linksy Pilot, you can see, you can just check it out, your allocated per month. Okay, so basically it will give you some idea about your credits and plans, your modules, all those stuff here. And we have also the paragraph rewriter. Suppose you have a sentence available, and in that you have your internal link available, so you want to change or make it a more applying or more compatible for the internal linking, so you can do that with the paragraph rewriter. This is the Silo network, and this is going to boost your internal linking a lot. If you don't know what is the Silo network, or if you don't know any of these terms name, what they can do here, this question mark, it will help you to understand this feature. Build content silo as you like and link them effortlessly. So that is what the Silo network. You have to just click here on the new. Here you have to just select the pillar post. If you don't know what is the pillar post, this is the most important post or the page of your website that is containing the most of the information. Then here you can suggest support pages. So all you need to just search out that pillar and suggest a support for, and then like with each other. Then this is the link automation, and this is the same again, our auto link feature. Let me close this one. Okay, so this is what the auto link available in the link automation. So I have showed you all the features, given you the demo, how you can just start the automation for your internal linking, how you can also add your new links to most of the post with a single click, how you can just replace and search the text with each other or the new name. Okay, so I have showed you everything here. So this is the Linksy, a great AI powered plugin for the internal linking for our website. So if you want to check out the deal, the link will be given in the description. And what I suggest, you should also read out this review, so you get to know what are the other users who are using the Linksy have to say about this platform. So make sure you also read it out, and if you somehow you are getting any problem, there's also the good documentation available here. Let me go to the plans and features, scroll a little bit. Here you will find out the roadmap, customer support, you will find out the reviews, all this stuff about this platform, you will get it here. So that's all in this video I want to talk about. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe this channel to stay updated. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.